Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Hyundai Tucson, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to check your oil and fluids in this SUV. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna pop the hood. Find the latch, open up and secure the stand. Let's start with our motor. Okay, so first of all we're gonna have to get a rag, napkin or paper towel or something we can wipe our engine oil dipstick off. Okay, oil off the dipstick. So let's start. First thing, we want to make sure that you warm up the car till operating temperature. Okay, so when the heat is in the middle, we'll let it sit for like 10-15 minutes, and then we will check our oil. Okay, so how do we do this? Here's the oil dipstick, and let's just get it out, the dipstick out, and wipe it off with our rag. Okay, then we're gonna put the dipstick back in and get it out right away. And here we're gonna have a reading. Okay, so here we have reading up to full sign. So you can see on both sides it's up to the second notch. There are two notches which show you like min and max. Okay, so low and full. So oil level usually should be somewhere in the middle. If it's full, it's fine, it's okay. Also check the color. So if oil is good, it's gonna be like this. This is good color. Okay, if it's black like Coca-Cola, it's not good. So it should be like apple juice. Okay, so if you have to add oil, actually over here you see on a cap it says 530. So this is the viscosity of oil you should use. So if we have to add oil, if it's like missing some, we're gonna just spin this cap like this, remove it, and we're gonna pour oil in there. Okay, try not to spill it over, and a little bit add oil, then check level. A little bit add oil, then check level. Don't overfill the crankcase. Next thing, transmission fluid. Okay, the transmission fluid, this car doesn't have a transmission fluid, the user-friendly transmission fluid dipstick. Okay, so the oil should be checked by dealer or mechanic. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so yeah, for some reason they made it this way. Next thing, windshield washer fluids kept right here. So you just open it, and if you have to add oil, just the fluid, you can just open it, add fluid anytime, and it's gonna be fine. Over here, this is a coolant reservoir, so this is antifreeze inside. It has min and max signs, should be somewhere in the middle. If it's over here at max, it's also fine. Keep in mind that never open this cap if the car is hot, okay, because the pressure builds up in the system, and if you're gonna open this when the car is hot, you're gonna get boiling antifreeze in your face. You obviously don't want to have that, so never open this thing when it's hot. You might use, as you can see, this is like blue color antifreeze, but if you are missing antifreeze and your car is overheating, you can use any antifreeze at that point, or even water will also do, but don't keep water in below freezing temperatures, because oil expands, or the water expands when it freezes. And if you're gonna have water in your coolant tank and in the engine itself, it will expand and just crack something, so you're gonna break something. So don't do that. So keep in mind, if your car is overheating and you have to add, you can also use water, no problem. Here we have the brake fluid. Okay, so this is brake fluid cap, obviously same way, add if you have to. Min and max signs. Keep in mind that brake fluid doesn't evaporate, so if you're missing fluid, it means you are leaking somewhere, and if you are gonna leak out, you're gonna lose brakes. Okay, your pedal is gonna become soft, and you will have no more brakes, so keep that in mind. One more thing is power steering fluid. This car doesn't have a power steering fluid. This car has electrical power steering pump, so that's also one thing less to worry about. Okay, and the last, pretty much, also you have differential fluids in this car. That's also should be checked by a mechanic, and because it's impossible to get from here. And the Freon is in AC system. Freon is also pressurized system. The AC system is pressurized, so that's something I wouldn't recommend you to touch if you are not familiar with what you are doing. Okay, otherwise this is all you should know. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.